A business in Grand Rapids has been fined for violating the state's COVID-19 workplace safety requirements. Integrity Business Solutions will have to pay $3,500 for not having a preparedness response plan, failing to have employees self-monitor symptoms, and not requiring employees to wear masks.
The health department in Kalamazoo County greatly increased the number of healthcare workers vaccinated today. News 8's Kyle Mitchell is live with a look at that effort. Kyle.
Lindsay, more than 300 frontline healthcare workers were vaccinated. Another 300 are scheduled for tomorrow, and they'll all need a second shot in 3 weeks. The Kalamazoo County Expo Center transformed into a COVID-19 vaccination clinic.
This is voluntary.
County Medical Director Dr. William Nettleton says frontline healthcare workers getting the vaccine is a crucial step because it'll make sure medical providers stay healthy to take care of patients.
I made the decision to receive the COVID-19 vaccine because, one, I want to protect myself, I want to protect my family, and I also want to protect my patients who I take care of as well.
The department vaccinated its first employees on Friday. Today's clinic also provided vaccinations to police, fire, and EMS, who are often some of the first to come in contact with COVID-positive patients.
We're getting a lot of organizations and partners coming to us and saying, hey, when are we eligible? You know, that's a lot of us working through the priority list.
This is the greatest day ever.
Bronson Healthcare runs its own clinics to vaccinate employees. The first group started receiving the shot on Thursday.
For our first shipment, all the appointments are filled up, and so there's great demand right now. There's more demand than supply.
The director of infection prevention says about 1,100 had already received their first vaccinations as of Monday night, but it's currently not required like flu shots are for its employees.
At this point, it's kind of too early to decide whether we're going to mandate until we have we know we have enough for everyone. And the other thing is that it's a new vaccine, and it's a little more difficult to mandate something that's brand new.
Even with the vaccinations expanding, the pandemic is not over yet.
Once we get enough people vaccinated, then we can start to reduce those measures of wearing masks and social distancing. But that's not going to happen until well into 2021.
If you're eligible to get the vaccine in this first wave but have questions, contact your medical provider. Live in Kalamazoo, Kyle Mitchell, News 8.